ChokliKids. Welcome to our toy vehicle garage. Tires time. See some more. This is a red color car. Vroom, vroom, vroom. The red car goes. This is a blue color car. Roll, roll, roll. The blue car goes. This is a yellow color bus. Beep, beep, beep. The yellow bus goes. This is a green color truck. Carry, carry, load. The green truck goes. This is an orange color taxi. Stop and go. The orange taxi goes. This is a purple color Jeep. Jump, jump, jump. The purple Jeep goes. This is a black color police car. Wee woo, police car goes. This is a white color ambulance. Nina, Nina, ambulance goes. This is a red color fire truck. Splash, 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 fire truck goes. This is a brown color dump truck. Lift and drop, dump truck goes. This is a green color tractor. Chuck, 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 tractor goes. This is a blue color cement mixer. Round and round, mixer goes. This is a yellow color digger. Dig, 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 digger goes. This is an orange color road roller. Roll, 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 road roller goes. This is a silver color race car. Zoom, 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 race car goes. Park the cars one by one. Colors and cars, learning fun. Open, open, toy car door. Let's see cars once more. Red and blue, yellow too.